which is just one of the 25,000 Wi-Fi hotspots that we are rolling out all over the country. The Wi-Fi hotspots is one of the components of our digital transformation agenda. In that space, we are rolling out 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic cable so that all those parts of the country that have not been connected can get affordable, reliable, and stable internet. We have now changed the model. As opposed to digging trenches along the ground, we are now going to use the existing electricity transmission lines to connect fiber. So at the tail end of the exercise, where there is electricity connectivity, we are also going to have fiber connectivity. We are determined to deliver internet to each and every home. Apart from that, we are also establishing digital hubs, digital laboratories in each and every ward all over the country, a total of 1,450 digital hubs. We are working in partnership with members of parliament. They have already facilitated a review of the CDF Act that will now enable them access CDF funding to establish facilities where we are going to deploy the digital hubs. As national government, we will bring the computers, we will bring the training service providers to provide that training for free. We will connect the internet and also connect the youth to global technological companies to get digital jobs. That is the only way we can sort out the unemployment problem that we have in this country. The white-collar jobs are today limited. Where there is enormous potential is the digital space. As we speak, we have already managed to train a total of 390,000 youth in the digital space, and we have also managed to get a total of 135,000 youth digital jobs. That is the program that we have to sort out the unemployment problem in this country. And on this agenda, His Excellency the President is leading from the front, is determined to ensure that we are not going to have our youth hovering around, yet they have got opportunities in the digital space. We are going to connect internet to the markets, all the markets, so that our mothers and sisters who are involved in itinerary trade can use internet for purposes of e-commerce. In the world of today, it is no longer necessary to have a physical interface between the buyer of a commodity and the seller of a commodity. You can use the internet to facilitate e-commerce. Over and above that, there are other fundamental programs which the government is determined to roll out in this. The first one is food security. We have already reduced the price of fertilizer. When we came into government, fertilizer was costing 6,500. Today it has gone down to about 3,000. During these long rains, please take advantage and let us all go to the farm so that we can boost our food production. We need food security. In the space of sugarcane, the government has already sorted out all the arrears that was owed to sugarcane farmers. The president is again leading from the front on this. Is determined to bring private sector investors who are going to pump money into our sugar companies. So we will soon see Chemelil, Muhoroni, Sony, and Zoya sugar companies again operating at optimal capacity utilization levels. In fishing, we are going to have fish landing sites along all the beaches. Usenge, Wichilum, Luanda Kotieno, Kamariga, Asembo Bay, Kindu Bay, Homa Bay, all the way down to Meo. We are going to have fish landing sites. We are reviving the Asembo Ndori water project already. This is a very old project which was there in the early 2000s, but it stalled due to lack of funding. As we speak, money has already been put into it for purposes of redesign. That is now work in progress. After that, we will look for money for the infrastructure. We want water to get to each and every home in this region. Those are the issues that we want to discuss, not politics, perpetual politics. Politics will come in 2027. We already did politics in 2022. In between now and 2027, all of us must unite behind the government. Let us all unite, irrespective of our parties. Whether you are a member of ODM or UDA, let us now have unity of purpose behind His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto so that we can have tangible development in the Nyanza region.
Now we go.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
There you go.
Very good.
Okay, let's clap for ourselves. Okay. Then we take.
And just in the car, Malaysia dulu canda, gidio ruang ke kakak gamasi di kalau bile gue, ODM, ni oda, walau pengakangan, keep away dulu ni, kawat ni jam mana. Thank you very much. Okay, we are very grateful. I don't know watching me, wago irokamano, CS, kaka jajigo. Nikeche wanyalo miyo tibet mayot kata gi jojuok kata gimoro mawayudo wanyalo kano kanyo. Chiro ni bende kako chwe pi opong'e ma jo ohala chuo nyaka us oko. Koro
asante sana Mheshimiwa Owino. Nikikaribia tamatiza, wacha nimwalike
this particular project. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much bwana. Kumbe anajua Kifaransa hapa. Kwa habari. Basi mgeni wetu wa heshima, wacha nimwalike Mheshimiwa Owino. Mheshimiwa Owino ni mtu anajulikana dunia hii. Wacha tusikie sauti yake. Karibu sana mheshimiwa. Amoso unukwe. Uriyo maber. Kama nyingo Owino jomakia wote
accompanied guests ambao umekuja nao, wananchi watukufu, hamjambo? Hamjambo tena? Umefurahia kuona CS? Sawa sawa sawa.
Ang'en nitie gaps, nitie kuonde moko kaka gik lab, gin gik mobedo devolved. But ang'en stima gi moko kaka security lights, CS pro temo mondo we. Gima duong' makwayo ndalo moko, nyocha ne wawuotho ka CS gini.